Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So this time I will have to show you on how to activate your Office 365 account. So all you have to do is to step 1, okay? First thing first is you need to uninstall your existing Microsoft Office. Click this PC and then click uninstall or change program. So click natin to guys. Then so you scroll down and then you find Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. So you need to uninstall that one. Uninstall. Let us wait for this application to be uninstalled. Then after that you go to this website here, https colon then /c2r setup.officeapps.live.com. So you need to copy paste this. You need to copy paste this this website, and then you copy it and import it here. So Control C and then Control V, and then after that click on enter. So once you download so you will be prompted to download the application. So it goes like this guys. It goes like this. Nakita nyo naman dyan, office setup.exe after nyo download. After you downloaded the setup, so go to downloads guys. In this part here, just click and then click on this office setup.exe. So click on it and then you will be prompted, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So just click yes, and then let us wait for the app to be installed. So matagal-tagal po to guys, depende sa speed ng yung internet connection. So pag malakas yung internet connection nyo, so madali lang po yan eh. Pero medyo mahina, so kailangan mo maghintay. So that's it guys. Next, so this is how it looks like guys. So ganito po yan kapag nag-install na yung Office online. So please stay online while Office downloads. So pagkatapos i-download yung buong Office, i-install niya yan. So ganyan. So once you are done installing, open any of those applications. It could be Excel, it could be PowerPoint presentation or Word. So in this time I opened Excel. So as what you have seen here at the top, because since it is a newly installed Office, you need to activate it by clicking sign in. Kakaiba dito guys kasi I have already signed in my account, so sign in na. So once bagong installed pa, ang lalabas dito, activate your account. So pag activate na account, gamitin nyo na yung email na ibinigay sa inyo ng inyong mga school ICT coordinator or district ICT coordinator. So kasi sa amin, binigyan kami sa school namin, in our school, in our district rather, or sa I think buong ano yan, Deped, Surigao del Sur, Deped, sa division. Binigyan kami mga ICT coordinator ng account at saka temporary password para ma-activate yung Office 365 license, one device per account. So dito guys, is what you observe, ilagay nyo lang, hininginin nyo na account from your district ICT coordinator. So sa amin yung format, ganito yung format, your name, parang Deped email lang, your name dot surname at Caraga .deped.gov.ph. So ganyan po yung format, pangalan nyo dito saka surname, lagyan nyo lang ng Caraga, yan lang yung idadagdag nyo, and then you will go through the process, and then hihingan kayo ng password, yung ilagay nyo yung temporary password, just like here, ito. So, they are mga passwords po to bigay sa amin. So ganyan. So ganyan guys, sundin nyo lang yung instruction para mag-activate at magamit nyo yung Office 365 na license. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a good day.